Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the disk write error on Steam in your PC. First, close Steam completely on your keyboard. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. Find steam.exe, right click it and choose End Task. Then reopen Steam and try again. If that doesn't work, restart your computer or fresh restart can clear temporary issues. Next, make sure Steam has permission to write files. Right click on the Steam icon and choose Run as Administrator and see if the error goes away. If you still see the error, try clearing the download cache. Open your Steam app on your PC. Click on the Steam at the top left. A menu will pop up. Select Setting. After that, go to Downloads and click on Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and this often fixes the problem. If the issue continues, the problem might be with the storage driver. Make sure you have enough free space on the disk. Open the File Explorer, click on this PC and check your C drive or whichever drive Steam is using. If it almost full, delete or move some files to free up space. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.